lighting up people's lives and their mood.
Me also. Hi guys, I'm back with a new vlog and I got a new mic. Okay, I'm so excited to use this mic because I bet the voice is much clearer now. And today, actually, for today's vlog, this mic is going to be much useful because I'm going to vlog like on the street. It's going to be outside, outdoors. So yeah, in today's vlog, you're going to see something called a collaboration photo shoot. And right now, I'm going to put on my makeup and get ready for the shoot. So see you guys in a snap. कितनी सुंदर लग रही हूँ. ओके, इनफ ऑफ दिस, लेट्स गो. रियली एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई एम शूटिंग इन टाउन साइड आफ्टर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम. और टैक्सी में बहुत सारा टाइम पास हो गया, काफ़ी ट्रैफिक था, क्यूट लोगों से बातें की, कुछ काम भी फिनिश कर दिया. माई लास्ट 2 व्लॉग्स मैंने इंग्लिश में ही बहुत बात किया है एंड या आई एम कंफर्टेबल. आई एम एक्चुअली डेफिनेटली मोर कंफर्टेबल टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश, बट या हिंदी में वार्तालाप करने में भी मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है. But yeah, I'm really excited for the shoot today. Let's reach the destination and let's go. Hi guys, so I have reached the location for the shoot and the statue is covered. I don't know why, but yeah. So yes, I'm going to shoot with a really good photographer and friend, Brandon. He's amazing at his job.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Brandon Pinto and I'm so excited to shoot with Vaishnavi.
I'll be putting up his Instagram as well.
Thank you.
Shout out. Please follow both of us.
Yeah, both. It's going to be like a red light, cinematic, moody, dreamy, that sort of vibe. So
This is the first time that I'm doing a nighttime shoot. I've never done it before. Yeah, we're going to shoot on mostly on street lights.
Yes.
I'm assuming. Yeah, I'm really excited. Let's go, guys. Guys, by the way, Brandon is a award-winning photographer.
thank you.
Please mention your award.
I won the Portrait Master of the Year 2025 by Realme India. So, yeah.
You said that you bought vlogging setup for me. I avoided bringing extra saman because I thought that you'll have to hold whatever I bring.
I'm used to it.
But still, yeah, that's really right. But yeah, let's go.
Cool.
And Brandon told me that he's not going to show me the pictures while we are shooting.
Otherwise, Vaishnavi will be like, I'm done with the shoot. I'm happy with my pictures. So I was like, no.
You're so good, the first.
Yeah.
फिर एक अच्छा लोकेशन शूट करने के लिए हम थोड़ा सा चले इधर उधर. फिर हमें ये बहुत अच्छा लोकेशन मिला and we found couple of more good locations.
I really love this location. It's very cinematic with the buildings, the lights, and I think Vaishnavi will look really good in it. So let's go to the
Let's go.
Which location? Third, fourth? Like
This is the fourth one.
fourth one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sweating. He's also sweating.
But it's
Zooming
going to be
in.
worth it for the
Zooming
shot.
in on the sweat, guys.
A few moments later.
We are in a situation. If you guys can hear some screaming, it's because of that man in the background. He's screaming. The situation is that my firstly heel has come off. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, the shoot was going really well, but we're gonna need to fix that first. I'm sure a lot of girls will relate to this shit, but we have this thing called a silicone bra, which has now come off because I'm sweating. I'm gonna fix that while Brandon is gonna go and get Fevikwik for me and be a really good friend meanwhile. Hi guys, so I'm in the washroom of thankfully it was not very far and walking distance. And another challenge here is that there's just water everywhere in this washroom. Just when I thought that I'm out of challenges, I realized that this washroom has no tissue papers whatsoever. Unpaid promotion of Fevikwik, guys. Sponsor me next time maybe because I use you guys a lot for fixing a lot of stuff. So yeah, there we go. Pretty much fixed, guys. Yeah, let's go. Location number 5. We came across a lot of major challenges that we just showed you guys. So yeah, let's continue because the show must go on, guys. The show must go on. Showbiz, यही business है, यही है हमारी जिंदगी.
But actually you can just tell them 5 minutes के लिए so shoot करने के अंदर.
चलोगे नहीं वो फिर हमारा घर पे जाना चाहिए
हाँ
नहीं
जा सकते हैं ना अंदर.
अंदर बैठ के
हाँ 2 मिनट के लिए.
he helped us out.
He deserves an ad.
Yeah.
Now we need a.
Thank you, uncle. Bye bye.
We'll ask this cab.
I should feel sure that he's feeling that we are fully grateful.
Bye. Struggles.
What your reaction also to this? Walking. Guys, I never miss a chance to hear someone complimenting me. So let's begin.
So I really like to shoot with Vaishnavi because she's a model and also a photographer. So it's good to see both sides when you're shooting. So like she knows what a photographer wants. So I really appreciate it. It's really fun shooting with her. Amazing shoot. Wait for the pictures to come and please subscribe to her channel. Follow her.
Follow
And-
him also.
Yes.
Guys, I'm gonna try to get Brandon to be more open now on, because he's a hilariously different person when he's offline, and I don't know, he just
They're
closes
shy.
off. Yeah, he is. Yeah.
Mr. Shy Guy.
What are you having?
ऐसा बिल्कुल इमीडिएट नहीं सोचे हैं बट सोचेंगे.
Something.
I'm having Szechuan cheese dosa. Thank you.
Brandon is trying to make me look like a devil.
Third fourth.
Keep your phone aside and eat.
Okay, mommy.
Air Samala. Chewing air.
Wait a minute.
Chewing air.
I'm not good at it.
What is one thing that you love as a photographer and one thing that you hate?
One thing that I love being a photographer is like I like to make people happy. I think I started my journey with a wildlife photographer and now it's like transition into just shooting people, shooting them in their own mood, in their own environment and just the way they are as a person. So I think when I see a smile on their faces, I think that's what photography means to me, that I like to do it and it teaches me a lot. It teaches me a lot to be patient with people in life, which is helps.
Empathy.
Yeah, it helps me in that. Observing and appreciating nature, appreciating life in general, and I just enjoy it. So yeah, it's one thing I really love about photography. That's what keeps me going as a photographer. And one thing I don't like about photography,
Late payments.
yeah, like not being valued, maybe like taking things for granted, I feel.
People taking photographers for granted.
Yeah, like we're not seeing the worth. And yeah, as a photographer, I regret maybe like being in a location and like not having my camera with me, and I'm like, oh, I wish I had my camera. So those are some moments that like, yeah, love what you do and do what you love.
Don't love your job, job your love.
Not Brandon entertaining these people. They're acting
enjoy.
like those moths.
Yeah.
You know, me also. Guys, he's
The light man.
the light man who kidnaps kids.
Hello.
किडनैपर है वो बहुत
क्या?
बड़ा. नहीं
Where are
नहीं,
you?
मजाक कर रही हूँ.
Okay, I'll come.
हाय बोलो.
हाय.
नाम बताओ अपना.
मेरा नाम करण. मेरा
धनश्री and Karan. So cute. Bye बोलो अभी.
बाय.
Look at the use of religion over here. That's his rosary, and he uses
Effects.
it as a prism effect for
You
his
see the
photography.
effects.
That's a Realme phone
Jugaad, this is Jugaad.
as well, right?
Yes, Realme.
Yes, Realme next time, please sponsor. Guys, I'm making him show me the pictures because he forgot. I don't know, purposely he did it. I know it. Don't take me for a fool. Finally showing me the pictures.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Wait. So that. Oh my god, Brandon, it's just too good. I can't. How are you going to choose? I really love the pictures, guys. The pictures are amazing. As you guys kind of saw. But if you want to see the real pictures, you have to come to our Instagram and increase our engagement and follow us. Like, share, subscribe for more.
Subscribe.
हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आ जाओ.
For more pictures.
Yes, guys, like, share and subscribe. Comment if you want to see more vlogs. As such, comment if you want to see us shooting more often.
Hit the like button if you want us
Hit
to
the
shoot
like
again.
button. Do not hit the dislike button. नहीं तो मैं घर आके कुछ नहीं करूँगी. Don't
Kalesh.
worry. No Kalesh. No Kalesh, guys. I will kill them with kindness.
And bury them with a smile.
Colgate smile.
Colgate smile.
This is what I really love about the town side of Bombay. I know, guys. मैंने बोला था कि मैं हिंदी में करूँगी थोड़ा सा शूट, पर मेरा कंफर्टेबिलिटी थोड़ा इंग्लिश में ही है एक्चुअली. बट क्या कर सकते हैं, अभी एक किसी को कंफर्ट लेवल जो होता है वो ऐसे ही होता है. पर कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपसे कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं हिंदी में भी बात करूँ मेरे ब्लॉग्स में. सो यस, कीप वॉचिंग एंड देखते रहो आप कि मेरा हिंदी और मराठी कितना अच्छा है. इतना बुरा नहीं है वैसे, खूब चांगलं बोलते हैं.